There's certain points, children, which you need to take care of while balancing any chemical equation. So whether it is a word equation or it's a molecular equation. If it's a molecular equation, please remember, children, that metals are always written in monoatomic form. That means metals are monoatomic in nature. Sodium is written as Na, N capital small a, and not as Na2 with 2 in the subscript, or Na with a 2 in the superscript, or we cannot write it as Na3, etc. It is always written as Na. Calcium is always written as capital C small a and not as Ca2 with 2 in the subscript, or Ca with the 2 in the superscript, or any other way. This is regarding metals. Coming to gases, gases are always written in their molecular form. All gases are always written in their molecular form. That means hydrogen, it is never written as H. We don't write it as H. We always write it as H2, since it is a diatomic gas. Oxygen, it is written as O2. It is also a diatomic gas. We never write it as O in equations. Nitrogen is written as N2 and not as N. It is also a diatomic gas. Chlorine is written as Cl2 and not as Cl. These 2 points need to be taken care of regarding metals and gases. And now let us take one example so that you understand this better. Sodium, I am taking the word equation of sodium with water reacting to produce sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. So sodium is written as Na, as I just told you here. We don't write it as Na2 or Na2 like this. We write it as Na. Water is written as H2O, sodium hydroxide is NaOH, and hydrogen is always written as H2 and not as H, as we just did it. We write it as H2, it's a diatomic gas. Now when we have to balance an equation, which I have discussed in a separate video, now what you need to take care of whenever you have to put these numbers, remember, always remember, during balancing any number is put only as a prefix. Only as a prefix. So we have put a number 2 in front of sodium, Na, 2 in front of water, H2O, 2 in front of NaOH, and H2 is as it is. So if you have to balance, for example, I've put a 2H2O to balance this particular equation. We can never write this 2H2O in this form. Like we multiply these two, make it a 4, and we write it like this, H4, and then this 2 in between O and H. We cannot write it like this. This is absolutely wrong way. We cannot even write it like this. We simply multiply this and we put a 4 below in the subscript, and we put a 2 also in the subscript. This is another wrong way of writing any wrong way of balancing during any chemical equation. And we can also never write it like this, that we, instead of writing the 2, we simply remove this 2 and make it 4, and we put it in the subscript, as a prefix over here, and we put this 2 in between H and O. These all are incorrect ways. The only correct way is that you always use it as a prefix in any molecular equation. And always remember that formula of any molecule cannot be changed during any balancing equation. As you all can see, the formula of sodium remains as it is. Water is H2O, sodium hydroxide is NaOH, and hydrogen is H2. So all these points need to be taken care of while balancing any chemical equation.